Hey there! Are you ready to feel amazing every single day? Let me tell you about a simple habit that can seriously change your life. Drinking a plant-based smoothie daily. Imagine waking up, blending together fresh fruits, leafy greens, a couple of dates, and maybe a dash of nut butter. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients your body craves. You see, plant-based smoothies are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may help to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, and give you that radiant glow. I've seen people who start their day with a smoothie feel more energized and ready to tackle the world. Whether it's getting ready for a morning run or simply feeling their best at work, these smoothies are like a natural energy drink, only they won't make you feel that heavy crash. One of the biggest benefits? They keep you full and satisfied. With a good mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, you won't be reaching for those mid-morning snacks. And guess what? They can even help manage your weight by replacing unhealthy fatty meals such as bacon and eggs or sausage. They may also help with reducing unhealthy cravings. Studies show that a plant-based diet can lower your risk of chronic diseases, improve your heart health, and even boost your mood. I have included links in the description to articles so you can research for yourself. So why not start your day with something as simple as a smoothie? Imagine blending up spinach, banana, dates, and almond milk, and in just minutes, you have a powerhouse of nutrition. Or mix it up with berries, kale, and a scoop of chia seeds for a delicious nutrient-packed treat. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a small change with a huge impact. So join the smoothie movement and start feeling amazing every day. I have included a link in the description for a smoothie recipe book to get you started. Or you can. Grab your blender, get creative, and sip your way to a healthier, happier you. Comment below what your smoothie is made of so we can gather amazing smoothie ideas.